Roland, also describing the fourth floor lounge. Over here, we got some posters, for example. We got the football team. You got an informer's notice, neighborhood watch. Over here, I have the Spartan squad to let you know the schedule. Behind it, you have a black chalkboard, but nobody really written on it yet. Over here, we have the San Jose State volleyball home schedule and the San Jose State home soccer schedule. It's a nice thing over here we got. And of course, you know, we're gonna have a trash can over here. If you come in and take a better look at it, you have the trash bins that are open, then you have trash bins that are closed, of course. It's kind of dark. Oh, okay, there are the lights. Up here we have a beautiful light, a door, a cardboard box. Let's go to somewhere more interesting. Alright, so over here we have a television. Everybody likes entertainment, of course. You got a nice National Geographic show on right now. LG HD Screen TV. Then you got a nice, oh, of course, look, you got a little iPhone. Everybody has iPhone case nowadays. You have a couch, a table, another couch, a backpack, a chair. It's like a lounge, of course. And then you got my friend Brandon over here, but just exclude him because he's not really part of the lounge. But that's where people would sit, of course. Posters to show a little creatism. POW, I don't really know what that means, but I mean, whatever you want to interpret it as. And if you follow me over here, I'll take you to a little more closer to the dorms, of course. So here we have the dorms. We have room 400. You have a little creatism. The villain, the Joker. Somebody's just showing their creativity to show that. Over here we have a partner in crime. This is Two-Face. You got a good look. And then of course you have to have your emergency evacuation unit to let everybody know just in case somebody has a case of emergency. And then if you keep walking and you follow me over here, that's a large space, not really occupied with anything. This is probably easy. But if you take a glance over here, if you want to look in the morning, like when you wake up, you have a mirror to check your view, of course. Make sure you look good, you know, gotta stay fresh. And then in case of a fire, you have a fire hose and a fire extinguisher. Well, I highly recommend you guys not to touch that, only in case of emergency, but you know, it's right there just for you guys to see. And if you continue to follow me, over here we have the men's bathroom. See, the women's bathroom's on the other side, but I'll show you the men's. We can't really go in there, but take a quick glance, That's a real quick glance. And then of course we have some more dorms. Over here we have some more dorms. So if you follow me this way, that's kind of the end of our tour, but let me show you some explicit stuff. Hey. Oh, okay, this is the hallway, of course. If you look at it, they got a nice hallway. Waiting for everybody to walk in. The doors, they close. Yes, they do close. They do close. And look, coming back to where we started, and right here is where I entered. Thank you.